Hello everyone. So today I'll be talking about that how to apply for a collateral-free MSME loans under the 3 lakh crore scheme announced by our finance minister a few days back. So many of the business houses are unclear as to what are the scheme and how do they apply for this loan and if they are eligible or not eligible for this loan category. So I'll explain in a very clear language as to who all are eligible and how they can apply for this loan. So the first thing is the capping requirement. The first cap the government has kept is that your business needs to have a maximum of 25 crores of borrowings and a maximum of 100 crores of turnover as on 29th February 2020. If you have more than that, then you are not eligible for this loan criteria. The second sector is that you are eligible to a maximum of 20% of your total borrowing as on 29th Feb 2020. That you are eligible for a maximum of 20% of loan. And also, a bank cannot say no to you for giving that 20% if you fall in the eligibility criteria. They have to give you this loan. As the finance minister clearly states, it's an automatic loan without collateral. That's my next point, that this loan is a collateral free loan. You don't have to give anything collateral or a fresh collateral for this loan, whatever the criteria may be. The next eligibility criteria is that you don't need to be a default making lender as on 29th February 2020. You should not be someone who has made a credit default or an NPA as on 29th February 2020. You should fall in the criteria of a regular borrower and a regular investor. You should not make default payments or be a NPA holder, then you are not eligible for this scheme. The next thing is that there is a moratorium of 12 months that you don't have to make any principal repayment or interest payment to the banks, and the total repayment tenure is for the 4 years following the date of issue of loan. So you have to pay back the loan within a tenure of 4 years. The next thing is the capping of 9.25% for the banks as the interest rate to be charged. The banks cannot charge any autonomous or any rigid interest rate from you. 9.25% से ऊपर interest rate no one can charge from you in the banks, and the NBFCs the criteria is different. Next criteria is that you need a few documents like your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your 12 months bank account statement, and you also need to have a Udyog Aadhaar number. This you can register on the udyogaadhaar.gov.in website and can avail this number from there. Further, there is an option to opt out of the loan if you want, but this is a mandatory loan which will be given to all the MSME sectors falling in this criteria, and this is an automatic loan. No bank can say no to you for this loan. Anything else if you want to ask, you can write comment below so that I'll be helping you to clear this doubts or anything. And one more thing that I would like to add on, that there is no guarantee fee that has to be given to the banks, or there is no collateral that you have to give to the bank. Also, there are one more thing, that you can only apply for the loan to the bank with which you have an existing limit going on as on 29th February 2020. You cannot go to a fresh bank and go to apply for this loan, because the bank you need to be an existing customer of the bank, and the bank needs to have existing debt details of you. That is important. Any fresh business with no borrowings cannot apply under this scheme of the government. If your business does not have any borrowing, then you cannot apply. If your business has a borrowing of just 10 lakhs, then you are only eligible of a loan of up to 2 lakhs. And this loan will be treated as a fresh loan, a separate loan. It will not be added to your limit. these all are the few points. If there is anything else, I would be more than happy to clear. Thank you so much.